Hello, welcome.
Hello, Tissue.
Hello everyone, my name is Kieko and I'm with my husband Kurt, and today we are filming our 4th apartment tour video. If you haven't checked out my previous videos, I'll link it down below. Now we are living further away from Hong Kong Island. Before we used to live in Causeway Bay for around 5 years, but now we've moved to new territories in Tseung Kwan O because we wanted a bigger space and also a place which is pet friendly and affordable. We currently live in a very tall building which has 51 floors and we're quite high up, and obviously there's a lift which is better than where we lived before because we had to walk up 5 levels. So to get straight to the point, we are paying 17,500 per month, and that's not including bills. Bills, it varies depending on the season, when we use the AC or if we're using like heater, that kind of stuff. So I'm not really gonna say how much we pay monthly for the bills. So we moved here at the end of April, so it's been several months now, and I really like this place because it's just so quiet, and it's different from Causeway Bay because there's not much noise outside. The only difference is there's less shops. Obviously Causeway Bay has, you know, Times Square and Sogo, and it's got a lot of shopping areas, but here it's more peaceful, but we are near a mall and there are a few restaurants and supermarkets, so it's okay. It's a very like family friendly area, and the main purpose for moving here is also because they allow dogs and pets. Another thing I forgot to mention is that this place is a lot bigger. It's around 450 square feet and it's a 2-bedroom place with a separate kitchen. So yeah, let me show you around. Okay, so this is the front door and right next to it is the bathroom, so I'm going to show you that first. So as you can see, we have a nice big mirror with our things inside. This is my side and this is Kurt's side. And we have a nice big sink, which is quite hard to find. Yeah, it's just a very nice small bathroom. This time we have a bathtub, so it's easier to wash tissue. Yeah, we just bought those from IKEA. We're now able to adjust the temperature from the bathroom as well. We bought the laundry basket and the bin from Taobao. And behind the door, we just clipped on things to like sweep the floor. I like the fact that the bathroom is so close to the front door because then we can wash our hands easily and go to the toilet when we're in a rush. Okay, so another reason why we chose this place is because it's got like a mini hallway. I'm now able to put a gate here so that tissue can't run out the door when we come back home. Yeah, so at least when we get back home we can kind of put our stuff down and go straight into the bathroom. Okay, so this area is where we keep our shoes. There's some drawers here for just DIY stuff. And yeah, we have plenty of room for all of our shoes, so that's really nice. Now we're able to kind of decorate it as well. I got this really cute light from IKEA, which makes our house very warm and cozy. Moving on, this is our dining area. We decided to get a table that doesn't extend just because now we have space for it, and we do have like mini stools still, so if we do invite more people we can kind of pull it out and rearrange it. So yeah, we also got this kind of Muji style dining table matching with our shoe rack the same color. And yeah, this one is from IKEA. It's mainly for storage, so it's not really used as a bookshelf because we don't really own books. Yeah, I just like that it has like a display panel with all our photos and some like cute little figurines. But yeah, it is good for storage because this house also doesn't really come with much storage, so we had to really think about where we're going to put things. One of the things I really like about this living room is that it's so long, so there's plenty of space for me and Tissue to run around. And also I even though everything is together, it still feels like it's separated because we've got the dining area with the lights. So we've got two lights. One is for the sofa area and one is for the dining area. Another favorite thing is now I have my beautiful L-shaped sofa, which we got from IKEA. So now I can sit down like this, which I've always wanted to do, and I couldn't because the previous places were so small that if I put an L-shaped sofa there, I just wouldn't even be able to walk around. So yeah, this actually extends, so Kurt and I can watch movies. I mean, if we have guests, they can also sleep here. Yeah, Tissue loves it.
Do you like it?
This is also my lovely Christmas tree. I will show you my small one because I still have it. In every house we've had different Christmas trees because of the size of the house. So yeah, this one we're gonna keep for a very long time, not gonna replace it. And because Tissue can't jump and it's kind of dangerous for small dogs to do that anyway, we got him these cute little stairs that he likes to run up and down. So yeah, we also have the space for it. It could either go here or we can move it over here. It's probably gonna use it. Do you want to demonstrate?
Come here.
I really like this photo frame area. We just did this recently, but it's of our wedding. And this is our TV area. We kept the same TV from the last apartment, but this one is new. We decided to get the same TV stand.
Different color.
The previous place were in white. As you can see, a lot of our stuff is light colored because of Tissue's hair. If we get dark furniture, it's so visible, so that's why we've gone for lighter things like a lighter grey sofa, just white things and light brown. And this area is Tissue's area, that's his pee mat. I'm glad that it kind of fits next to the shoe rack, and his drinking fountain and food machine.
This is our old gate.
But it doesn't really fit, so we are considering maybe changing it. But for now, it does the job. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the kitchen.
Yeah, our kitchen have a door this time.
Yeah, our kitchen is a lot bigger, and we like the fact that when we're cooking, the food smell won't go out. So yeah, now I think Kurt's favorite part is that we can have like fire. Right? Yeah, it's not an electric stove. So over here you can see that there's some storage. It is kind of high up, so it's difficult to get right to the back, but it does the job. We have our microwave, which came with the place, and we just have our old kitchen appliances, rice cooker, kettle, air fryer. Those things haven't changed. And then we have our old washing machine from our last place. We just told the landlord to change that so that we can still use our old one. I like the fact that now we have these drawers for all our cutlery and like pots and pans and plates. As most of you know, Kurt does all the cooking, so this is like all the seasonings that he used. We still kept this from our last place, and yeah, now I have a bigger sink for washing up. So yeah, that's really great because it's very difficult to find a kitchen with a big sink. From here we can also adjust the temperature. So the other storage space is under the sink. It is a bit messy, but this is just quite normal when you use the kitchen every day. And another storage we have is up here with all our glass container stuff. We just got our very normal fridge, nothing fancy, with our things on top. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my office room. Okay, so this is my office room. It's probably the same size as my previous office room. There's just no wardrobe in this one. So we decided to get these drawers just for extra storage. This is my table. It's still the same. It's actually a vanity table, but I use it to work on.
Hi, long time no see.
So this is my very big mirror. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I got a very big, like 180 cm mirror, and this is my mini Christmas tree from my other apartment tour video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the last room, which is our bedroom. So this is our bedroom. We all sleep in the same place.
Tissue bed.
And we just kept the same bed from the last place. So over here we've got our very big wardrobe, like this big, which is custom sized. This is my side and this is Kurt's side, so now we don't need to fight for wardrobe space. So I hope you guys enjoyed our apartment tour video. I have no idea when this video is going to be out, but I'll try to edit it as soon as possible. I did actually film other videos too, like us moving out of our old place and moving in here, Kurt building pretty much all the furniture. I have no idea if I'm actually gonna edit that and post it later. We shall see. Do you think you're gonna be in any of my future videos?
Definitely.
We're gonna try to make more videos, I promise, after I finish studying, probably around May, after May, summertime. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned for my upcoming future vlogs. Okay, we will see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Did you say bye bye? Bye bye.